Can he read this book?
He loves reading books.
Can she help us move?
She's busy this weekend.
Can they play soccer?
They enjoy playing sports.
Can he use a computer?
He's good with computers.
Can she bake a cake?
She makes delicious cakes.
Can they keep a secret?
They won't tell anyone.
Can he paint the house?
He paints very well.
Can she handle this job?
She is very capable.
Can they babysit tonight?
They are free tonight.
Can he play the guitar?
He loves playing music.
Can she go to the store?
She'll go after work.